Currently working on a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. Just did the oil change with 5W30 full synthetic. And we also had another code, and the code was the rear wheel speed sensor. And the rear wheel speed sensor is located back here where the plug is. So while it's apart, the bearing's good, the pads seem to be good, and I ended up ordering one on Amazon, and it was $26 for both. So that's today's adventure. Pretty straightforward, easy job, just time consuming. Alright, we'll do an update after everything is done.